Hi, I'm Tara, NAED's Government Affairs Manager. Today we're going to look at legislation that encourages investment in energy-efficient building retrofits and technologies. Commercial buildings and industrial facilities together consume nearly 50% of our nation's primary energy. And as our members know, this means great opportunities exist in retrofitting for building owners to save both energy and costs. The Commercial Buildings Tax Deduction, or CBTD, promotes energy-efficient upgrades to commercial buildings. Of particular interest to distributors is the CBTD partial deduction for lighting upgrades, which can provide building owners with significant savings without having to undergo a total building retrofit. The Commercial Buildings Tax Deduction is set to expire at the end of 2013 unless Congress extends it. And since there is currently little support in the House for standalone tax incentive bills, an extension will most likely occur as part of a tax extender package, which Congress typically approves at the end of the year. In addition to extending the Commercial Buildings Tax Deduction, NAED supports President Obama's proposal to increase the value of the deductions. His plan would increase the maximum deduction from the current $1.80 per square foot to $3 per square foot, and increase the maximum partial deduction from 60 cents to $1 per square foot. NAED's other priorities for the program include change the CBTD from a tax deduction to a tax credit, retain partial credit for partial upgrades, oppose efforts to add requirements for total building upgrades, and support an educational component on how to claim qualification. Another piece of legislation Congress will likely consider this fall is the Shaheen Portman Energy Savings and Industrial Competitiveness Act. This act creates rebate programs that distributors can use as selling tools, including rebates for efficient motors and transformers. The House version of the Shaheen Portman bill also creates grants to states to run financing programs for building upgrades. The Senate, however, removed this financing provision in its bill introduced in August. NAED will be pushing for the grants to states to be included in any final version of the bill sent to the President for his signature. You can send letters to Congress asking to extend the CBTD and support the Shaheen Portman Energy Efficiency Bill on NAED's Government Action Center at naed.org/tellcongress. And as always, feel free to contact us with any questions. Thank you for listening, and thank you for supporting NAED.